It's the end of another long day, and your students' devices are all over the place, tired and drained. What are you going to do? Introducing the all-new Duet charging cart from Oklahoma Sound. The Duet has a rugged steel body and modern design, featuring a Duraflex work surface and a sturdy comfort handle, along with heavy-duty 4-inch casters, allowing for easy mobility. Adjustable height shelves provide space for devices of various heights. Click-out dividers makes it easy to fit wider devices. Devices plug into dual power strips that combine with just one cord to plug in. Duet, where devices go to recharge.